All right, grade 3, it's page 285 in the textbook. Just a few simple division questions. So we just have to remember that in division, we're dividing things into equal groups. Question 1 right here says use blocks. Well, you might not have blocks, but I've been talking a lot about finding other little things in your house that you could use, like rocks or Lego or cereal, anything little that you can use to help solve your questions. Find the number of groups. Write a division sentence for each problem. So you're going to be writing these down in your orange coiled math scribbler. You write down 1A. Divide 6 blocks into groups of 2. So for this one, you'll have set 6 blocks into groups of 2. So I'm going to get 6 of something. I happen to have these guys here. So I've got 6 bears, but I have to put them into groups of 2. So I'm going to divide it by 2. So I'm going to make group 1, group 2, and put 1 in here, 1 in there, 1 in here, 1 in there, 1 in here, and 1 in there. And guess what? I used them all up. So my division sentence is 6 divided by 2 equals, well, how many did I end up with in each group? I ended up with 1, 2, 3. So 6 divided by 2 equals 3. So that's how I would solve it. So you'll have to find something little that you can divide out. Okay, so you do that for divide 8 blocks into 4 groups. So you have to make 4 groups. Divide 12 blocks into 4 groups. Again, you have to make 4 groups, but this time you'll find 12 things to separate. Question 2, draw a picture and write a number sentence to solve each problem. Okay, so for this one, you have to draw a picture in your book and write the number sentence. Question 2A, each room has 4 beds. How many rooms are needed for 20 children? So we have every room has 4 beds. We've got 20 kids that need a place to sleep. So I would draw a picture of a room with 4 beds. Just gonna move this book up a bit. So here's a room. And inside it, I'm going to put 4 beds, and I'm going to pretend that my little bears are beds. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to do another one. Another room. I'm going to put 4 bears in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So far I've got 4 here, I've got 4 there. So far I've got 8. I've drawn another room. Put 4 bears in that room. Now I've got another 4. Now I've got 4, 8, 12. Draw another room. Put 4 bears in there. And keep drawing until you get to 20. So that every kid has a room. The question asks, how many rooms are needed for 20 children? Well, I've got my 20 kids now, and I've got all my rooms, and each room has 4 kids in it. So how many rooms did I use? There's my drawing. And of course, you'll have to take these out and draw the pictures in there on your book. So my question is, the two numbers I had to work with were 20 and 4. So the question is, 20, let's see the camera. 20 divided by 4 equals, well, how many rooms did I end up with? Okay. Again, you'll have to draw pictures here. Each all-terrain vehicle has 3 wheels. How many all-terrain vehicles can be made with 15 wheels? So, draw some boxes. Pretend those are the all-terrain vehicles. Put 3 in each box until you use up all 15. And then make your question. Then you go down here to question 3. It says, use blocks, make equal groups to divide. 12 divided by 4. So you're going to want to get 12 little things. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12 little things. Divide it into 4 equal groups. So then you'll draw your 4 groups. One, 2, 3, 4. Take those 12, start splitting them into there, one at a time, until you've used them all up. And then you'll know how many go in each box. The key is to make sure that you take a turn putting each one in a box, so that every box has an equal number. So there's my 12 bears. I used them all up. Every box has exactly 3 bears in it. So I would write 12 divided by 4 equals 1, 2, 3. I ended up with 3 bears in the box. The last question you're going to do is question 4. Terry's class is ordering extra long submarine sandwiches for a party. Each submarine sandwich can feed 4 children. How many submarine sandwiches do they need to feed 16 children? Well, I would draw a picture of that. So they have, each submarine sandwich can feed 4 children. There's 16 kids. Maybe go get 16 little things. Pretend these are your kids. Do I have 16? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Here's my 16 things. 4 kids can share a sandwich. So I take 4 kids, put them here. Take 4 more kids, put them here. And keep sorting it out until you can see how many sandwiches you need. Okay? And that's it. That's it for that exercise. When you're done, take a picture, submit it to me, and we'll see you later.